Today in class we have been doing shoulder rolls, and headstands, right? So it's good, to have had a workout and then you think, oh wow, look at that. I've been really working out very well and I want for you the same. So now let's jump into why yoga is so much more. Sige Nagels here. Today we're talking about yoga and what it actually is. Because for years myself, I thought yoga was to have a flexible body or to make sure that you stay slim or you make sure that you're able to relax from daily stress, right? And then I was introduced to yoga by several people and very devotional with their yoga as they were teachers. They are teachers. And this video is to tell you about what yoga actually is. Because yoga is not what I said before, okay? Yoga is for strength. Yoga is for flexibility and stability. And we might perceive as if it's only for our body, but it's also for our mind and our soul. So, how you show up on your mat is how you show up in daily life. So what you should be practicing is actually the asanas that you are not good at. Why? Because then you're able to improve, right? And how do you get better at something? By repeating it. Our conscious mind most likely says, why do you want me to repeat that? I have been doing it already for a few days in a row. It's okay, I can do it. And that's just resistance in the body. That's just your mind also resisting doing the exercises over and over again. And why is that? Because as we grow up, we get conditioned. When we are small, toddlers, babies, and we want to achieve something, what do? When we learn to walk, we bump our head, we fall, we cry. Not one day that we get up and that we say, I stopped trying learning to walk. It doesn't come to mind, okay? And that's why the yoga practice is very valuable, because you keep on practicing no matter where you are. At every stage, at every level, you're able to go deeper and improve. And when you aim for perfection, you can always, strive for perfection in your yoga pose. When you're doing a yoga lotus, then you can do exercises with that pose. All right, so there's so much possible, okay? And if you resist exercise, that's exactly the conditioning that's speaking. So here you train to smile, to be okay with your practice, to be okay with growth, to be okay with where you are, to accept your situation and to improve with a smile, and learning to be okay with discomfort, because your body will resist. Why? Because when the body gets in discomfort, the body resists. All right? So this is why we have our breath. We have our breath. We keep on breathing and we keep on doing the practice. And sometimes a minute can feel so long, so hard, right? When you're strengthening your core muscles and you're in a moment that you think, oh no, this is so painful, right? Just keep on breathing. There's not a problem if you cannot do something. It is a problem when you are not trying. All these things made me realize how valuable yoga is. It opens up many chakras in the body. So we have 7 main chakras, and then we have 108 or even more smaller chakras. And they make sure that energy flows through the body. Okay? When you're not able to move a particular part of your body very well, what you do with the poses, with the exercises that you do, is you unblock the energy at that spot in your body, so your body is able to transfer the energy, release it. All right? We have the responsibility to be careful for our body. This is our vessel. This is our temple. All right? And if we want to have a healthy, long life, then we have to take care of our body and nurture it well and feed it with exercises, feed it with nurturing food, not fill it. And it's the same with the use of the muscles and the power you have and the strength you create and the support you create for your mind. If you like this video, give it a like. Drop a comment if you think this is very valuable. Share it with friends and family and click the bell sign so you get notified every time a new video comes out. And yes, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for engaging. My name is Sige Nagels, and I'm helping you to get you very clear on your soul's calling and how to live your personal freedom. And in the process of doing so, you become your true self. And when you think for yourself, yes, I'm doing well, I'm living my personal freedom, well, know that I can get you extremely effective in moving forward on your journey to your biggest dreams. I'm signing off right now. Talk to you very soon. Bye. Bye.